Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about the past simple tense. Let's start. As you know, the past simple is used for finished actions, states, and habits in the past. To make the past simple, the past form of the verbs are used. Regular verbs endings ends with ed or d, while irregular verbs change. Now let's go over some examples. These are the examples of regular past forms: play, played, listen, listened, walk, walked, and talk, talked. They end with eds. However, in irregular verbs, they change. For example, go, went, do, did, write, wrote, and sleep, slept. While making sentences with the past simple, we also use time expressions such as yesterday, last month, last year, in, and ago. Let's make some sentences with irregular verbs. I saw my grandmother yesterday. I went to Japan last year. I met my best friend at 9 o'clock. All these sentences have time expressions. Let's learn how to make past simple positive sentences. To make a positive sentence, the second form of the verb is used. She played tennis 3 days ago, or Jack finished his homework at 6:30. In the past simple negative, we use didn't and the root form of the verb. For example, I didn't go to school last week, or I didn't finish my book last night. While making past simple sentences in question form, we use did plus the root form of the verb in the sentence, such as did you do your homework, did you call your mother, did you wash the dishes. Now let's revise. Question form, did you go to the market? Positive statement, yes, I went to the market. Negative, no, I didn't go to the market. To sum up, the past simple is used to talk about the past, and we make the past simple with the past form of the verb, verb to. To make a question, we use did plus base form. To make a positive sentence, we use verb to, and to make a negative one, didn't plus base form. Thank you for watching. See you later.